I'm going to put on the new attachments or the new accessories that Amazon has created for this specific Kindle. This is the Kindle protective cover, and this is the Mission Clear case, which includes the glass screen protector. So these are two different cases. And not to be outdone, this is Amazon's Kindle Fabric cover for the 11th generation Kindle. This is fitted for your device, so it's going to be a seamless, easy fit. I do like how they improved the material so it's more grippy, and it looks very nice. The best thing about this case versus previous cases, especially the fabric cases, is that when you close it, the lid or the cover is not going to be dangling around. It's not loose, and the build quality after all these different generations is getting better and better. It's made out of 51% post-consumer recycled plastics, which is important if you want to protect the environment. It is going to have a thin, lightweight design, and when you close it, it does exactly what you intended to do. You could take it around with you, but let's compare it to the other two now. This is going to be the New Pro cover for your Kindle. It's a slim, lightweight version, similar to the Amazon Fabric cover, except it's going to have a leather top. Now, it's going to automatically wake your Kindle when you open and close the cover, just like before. There's a magnet that ensures the cover closes easily and securely, and I do like how the exterior is soft, easy to use. Right off the bat, it's very light. It is as light as the fabric cover, if not lighter. And I do think that if you were to drop your Kindle, this does provide a good amount of side bumper and top protection. We also have the Mission Clear case. So in case you're like, hey, I don't want to use a cover as this, and you want to use more like you would do it for, and you want to look at the beauty of your Kindle and carry it around that way. So this is that Mission Clear case. This is what you get inside of the Mission Clear case. You're going to be getting the dust absorber, a cleaning pad, and alcohol wipes. That's going to be for your screen protector on your Kindle. Here is the actual physical case. It comes with a silicone, a very clear silicone. It's very clear. And it will fit your Kindle perfectly. So watch what we do. We just put it in. And voila. This is one of the best configurations for your Kindle. It just makes it more grippy. You know, it makes it more grippy. There is a larger lip, which makes it easier to hold in your hand. And the new Kindles, even though I have a pretty big hand, this fits easily in my hand. And if you want to compare this to like a cell phone, this is a Google Pixel 6 Pro. You can see the size. You can see the size difference between the two here. Very nice. The Mission is actually very classy. I do like that finally we have a clear case that looks good on our Kindle, you know. It will come with a screen protector as well, if you want to add that screen protector. Let me just show you guys. The screen protector is a perfect fit. It's a perfect fit. It is edge to edge. It is a perfect fit for your Kindle. Edge to edge, full bleed, perfect fit. So which one is going to be the best for you? This is going to come down to personal choice. Do you want the cover that you can open and close that shuts or wakes your Kindle up? Or do you want the clear case where it's just going to be like your cell phone? None of the covers add tremendous heft. Actually, they don't add much heft at all to your cases. But in my opinion, I do like the Amazon Fabric cover. I think that the build construction and the look is more premium. However, if you want the clear case or you want the New Pro, both are going to be great options as well. They all do their intended job. So thanks for watching, everyone. This is Dave with the French Glow signing off. Bye, bye, bye.